I'm gonna take you on a tour of probably one of the sexiest properties on the market right now in Pacific Beach. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath with a killer backyard, and everything else is absolutely amazing. Real quick before we jump into the tour, be sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. It really helps for me to extend my reach and be able to help more people here in San Diego buy and sell homes. All right, now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into it. Here we are at the front of the home. It's really nice how they use stone to accent the entry as well as the left side of the house. As we enter, we're gonna start right off in the living room. Super spacious, lots of windows, as you can see on both sides of that couch and then also in the front of the house. Plenty of space to put a different couch setup if you wanted here. It's also really nice how high those windows go. And as you can see in the corner, recessed lighting. Such a great space for you to have people over and entertain, and at the same time, a good place for you to relax. Now we're gonna make our way into the kitchen. I love the choice of stone they used in the kitchen, and it's really nice to see that they used it as a backsplash that goes so much higher, all the way up to the hood vent. Beautiful, brand new cabinets, brand new appliances. You got your refrigerator there, you have your stove in the background. Big, beautiful island that fits 1, 2, 3 additional stools for seating. And it also has that matching stone that they used on the countertops and the backsplash. The seller also chose to go with these really interesting overhead lamps or lights. Provides a lot of additional character to it. And these floating shelves, what a beautiful choice for an accent against that stone. Next, obviously we're in the dining space. Big space, 6 chairs. I think you could possibly go with something slightly bigger, maybe not much wider, but definitely longer, and get 8 chairs in there with no problem. Really big, expansive space. Really cool how they did that build-in right there on the left, where you can either use it as decorations or you can even put like plates and more of like guest stuff that you use there. And the back door with the additional window to the left just allows in so much additional light to the area. Now we're gonna make our way into the first bedroom immediately off the living room. Now this room is slightly smaller and you can kind of see it there. There's a smaller sized closet. I think it was a great idea for them to stage this as an office space. It does very, very well, but it is big enough to use either for a child or be big enough as a guest space. Here is your accompanying bathroom. This is gonna be used for guests. This is located in the hallway so that anyone can access it in comparison to the other 2 baths, which will be located in bedrooms. Fully updated, as you can see. Now into what I would probably call the primary bedroom. Amazingly comfortable, big space, very, very bright and vibrant, recessed lights there. This is a queen size bed with plenty of space on both sides. And then you have this window, good golly, that's gotta be like at least a 10, maybe 12-foot window. Now I do believe that this came from a garage conversion, mainly because it's in the driveway where garages normally are. And there's also steps that you take to step down from the hallway to get into the bedroom. This is the accompanying bathroom to that primary bedroom, dual sinks with independent dual mirrors as well. Great combination. Floating vanity. I love how they kept the wood theme very, very consistent throughout the entire house. This seller has an eye for stone. Look at the stone that they chose to use for this bathroom. Beautiful design. You can see right there, I'm kind of just pointing out, they also use very, very big slabs of stone that they put together. We're making our way into the third and final bedroom. This one wasn't staged, so I'm just giving you an idea of its size. It is smaller than the primary that we just came from, but bigger than the first bedroom. Lots of natural light here. This is the accompanying in-bedroom bathroom. Dual sink, floating vanity, 2 mirrors, similar to the primary. Different shower though. different stone, beautiful choice by the way. This one comes with 2 shower heads. So interestingly, this has a bigger bathroom, but a smaller bedroom, where the primary has a bigger bedroom, but a smaller bathroom. Here I'm pointing out a difference in color. Now my favorite part of the house, the backyard. Beautiful, entertaining area. I can absolutely see someone putting up a pergola here and kind of cutting up the sun and diffusing the sun so you can hang out here all times of the day, all year long. Lots of grass where you can have pets with no problem. I also like how they did the brick walkway here, and then they also have that patch to the left of like rocks where you could put games, or I don't know, maybe you could put your grill out there. Also, you can see in the background, the fence is 6 feet, has additional lattice on top, and then there's plants that will also grow into that space and provide additional privacy. Just a wonderful, wonderful space back here. Okay, that's it for this tour. Thanks for joining me here today. If you can do me a big favor, number one, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Also like this video. And on a scale of 1 to 10, rate this video in the comments below. Tell me, 1, if you would buy this and no chance in hell would you spend $1 on this home, or number 10, you gotta have it now. Drop that in below. I'd like to see what you think about this property and what it has to offer. Now, if you're interested in getting a private tour, just give me a call. And if you're thinking about buying or selling anywhere here in San Diego, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm Karl, your San Diego Realtor. I'll see you in the next video.